Okay guys, today on Chris Does What? I just got this HDRCX675 camera from Sony. So, no need to unbox it. Let's start our review. So when you get your camera and take it out of the box, this is what you get. Power adapter, USB, charge cord, USB, USB. I have to say I really like this cord because it's a larger USB. I'm always breaking the micro USB cords. You get your DVI cord for audio, video and audio to your TV. Or whatever device you plug in the DVI cord for, and your Sony camera. Now let's go look and see if I can figure out how to use this without reading the instruction manual. First thing let's do, let's inspect the outside. So you have a speaker or a microphone on the front, and you see this camera is 30 optical zoom, and it's supposedly 5.1 sound. This is a HD camera. It's not 4K, just HD, so it will do high resolution. I went for this camera versus the 4K, one, the cost, and two, I looked at most of my audience and they view via cell phone. Up the top, you'll see you have your zoom controls and you have a photo button. I have noticed that the photo button gets in the way. I'm constantly hitting it when I'm messing with the zoom. Here you have a place you can add external lights or mic. Remember, this camera does have an external mic jack. On this side here, you'll see this plug for a USB cable. This is the micro USB. This is not the plug you have to use for charging. Tucked in this hand thing is a full-size USB. Use that for charging. Looks like we're getting a little out of focus here. On the back, your battery, it has a latch here where you can pull your battery out and push it back in. Also right here you'll see start stop recording. Come on, unblur. So here you can easily reach with your thumb to start and stop the recording. As we open the camera, it will turn it on. You'll see here on the right here you have a speaker. This is not Dolby Digital 5.1 sound coming out of the speaker, guys. You have to, of course, have an audio system capable of 5.1. This button right here, as you're recording, is supposed to filter out your voice. So when you're talking, you aren't the center of attention and whoever you're recording is. This is a play button. It takes you instantly to the play features where you can scan different items you've recorded, and a power button to turn the camera off with the display open. If you open this little side compartment right here, see if I can figure out how to open it. You'll see you have a headset jack and a microphone jack. This camera, you can plug in an external mic, which is a great benefit if you want to focus more on you, the recording, with a lapel mic, or if you want to carry a handheld mic for general interview purposes. We look to be getting out of focus again. Here you have your SIM card, where this camera does have internal memory, but you can put a external memory card in here to extend the record time. And you have HDMI. This menu right here is great for if you're doing self-recording and you spin this around. You can easily record and have zoom controls right here on the touch screen when it's turned and facing you. This does turn all the way around, so you can, of course, record yourself. See, that's the camera button getting in the way. The screen is touch screen. Shooting modes. This is basically giving you time-lapse, photo, and movie mode. Your camera and mic settings. You can interface all the camera and mic settings. If you notice, pretty much everything is set to auto except for these last three settings, where I have AE shift off, white balance off, and low lux off. Scene selection, auto. I don't really do scenes on this. Picture effects, off. Steady shot is intelligent active. My hand shakes, so I don't want that to be picked up in the video. You can control these from the screen while recording too, some of these aspects. Digital zoom on this is off. I don't use digital zoom. Auto backlight, only for the screen here. Face detection auto. It does detect faces very easily. And my voice canceling, which there is a button, you can activate that instantly, so you can turn that off and on. And this stuff. Image quality. I have set this to max, because I just like it at 60 frames a minute HD quality. Wi-Fi, you can use Wi-Fi on this camera. Playback functionality, you can play things back on the camera to see what they are. You have edit capabilities, so you can edit things as you get them or as you record them. And then this is where you do your selections, like setting up your memory card, which is going to be recorded first. Your formats, you can format the SIM card or the internal memory. You can add external music. So a lot of neat stuff here. Not really going to use it. Let me go back to record screen. If you want to access the menu from here, you just touch the screen and it gives you your steady shot, so you can turn that off and on. Whatever this is, picture effects, I don't use it. You have this play button here, so you can go to your stuff on that you've recorded. And you see your 5.1 audio right there, your modes, and it shows you how much life you have in the battery. 2 hours and 18 minutes. So, not a bad camera. The one thing I do like is the Steady Shot, this actually has a servo built into it to help keep your image steady as the camera shakes. It won't compensate for massive movements, but if you're just shaking, it really does make the image look good. Okay, at the end of this video, I will have some of the different recording scenarios I did in my backyard. I don't have my green screen right now. It's on order. My other one fell down, just held up by tape. But if you have any suggestions or anything you'd like to see, I could do some quick videos to show other things that I may have missed. If you like this camera, I'll leave a link below. If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button right down there. Thank you for watching, and take care. Okay guys, I'm going to do a sound test. I'm in my car. This is a Bose surround system 5.1 with the center speaker there and then a subwoofer in the rear deck. So we'll go ahead and play this. This is Elliot Burgess. I did turn the volume pretty much all the way up just to see if you would get mic distortion. I was hoping the sun would come out. This is no tripod doing a pan. Very smooth. This is me walking with the camera, trying to see so I'm moving around pretty good, turning camera sideways, shaking camera up and down, moderately, not erratically. Zoom test. No digital zoom, this is only optical zoom. Zoomed 30x. No tripod. This is the crazy bird that spreads its wings all the time. Just changed it to intelligent active stabilization. Nice. This is audio test facing the wind. The camera speaker is facing the wind, coming this way.